Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by duplicating your background layer so you can always revert. This protects the original. Then select the object's rough shape with lasso or trace precisely with the pen tool. Once you have a path, convert to a selection and apply a small feather, typically 0.5 to 3 pixels, to blend edges. Make sure to toggle the overlay or quick mask to inspect hard edges, because early selection quality dictates how seamless the removal will be later. Now you execute the removal. With the selection active, try Content-Aware Fill for an automatic fill. Choose sampling area and output to a new layer. If textures repeat or fail, use the patch tool or clone stamp at low opacity, building texture gradually. Once done, refine edges with a soft brush and the healing brush to fix color and grain. Make sure to sample nearby areas and switch between tools. This combination preserves structure and avoids obvious repeating patterns. Finish by blending the retouched area with the surroundings. Apply subtle frequency separation if texture and color need independent fixes, and use curves or hue/saturation layers clipped to the retouch layer to match tones. Once done, zoom out and view at 100% and 16:9 ratios, then make tiny clone or healing passes at 10 to 30% opacity to remove seams. If you still see artifacts, step back to an earlier history state and work smaller. Small, repeated corrections beat one big aggressive edit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.